Hey, thanks for joining the channel today. Today I'm going to talk about how to customize your leaflet map by building custom URL photos to that map. So this is what we're going to be building. We're adding a custom URL image to our leaflet map. The first thing you want to do is figure out where you want to get your image from. I'm using the website Imager for my image. So in this example I'm going over to their website, and you can come up here, type in the image you want. I have an image of a tornado that I want to use. So I just come over here, click copy image address, and then I'm going to paste it into the make icon function. So I'm using the make icon function, my URL. You also want to set the width and height of your image. The next step, I'm using my data set. I'm calling the leaflet function. Then I'm adding a base map to it with add provided tiles. And then I'm calling the add markers, and the only thing I'm changing is I'm clarifying my icon to that custom icon that I built. And when I run that, it should be that new image that we just built. So this is a really quick and easy way to customize your leaflet map. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick lesson on how to do that. Thank you.